So why haven't I posted a video in about 2 weeks? Why am I showing you black plastic? Well, it's almost Halloween and I've been busy as hell. So I have done a few haunted houses in my days. And I think I told you about that a little bit in my other videos. We started out as NJROTC.com, and I had like a mobile haunted house that didn't make any freaking money. I've never made any money doing this. And so basically, I also told you I was a high school NJROTC instructor. And what I do is I donate my time, my effort, and everything to my kids so we can do a fundraiser and earn money. So that's what we're doing for Halloween. We did it last year, did it a couple of years ago at another school as that. People will enter through this door, pardon the construction, and they will be able to get a drink of water if they want, and they will start right here, will be fully draped and blacked with plastic, and they'll have to go a couple of feet, through strands of black plastic till they get here. And then I think my big surprise is gonna be I'm gonna have the clown that jumps up and says surprise, and a butler. Again, still got a lot of work to do. I need to finish this tomorrow, Sunday. I'll be coming in for 8 hours to work on that and get the lights hung and everything. And here are some of the boys. I mean, we didn't even have all the props here yet. I'm transporting them every day as I come in. One of my favorites that I made, homemade, he needs a little remake. Just a few. The other homemade one, and then I never really showed you this guy all the way through, but he is awesome. He was in one of the remake videos. Unbelievably badass homemade scarecrow. And like I said, that's his son, I guess. We're gonna remake him. And this guy, another video that we had, I don't even know if they're posted yet. I don't think they're posted yet. There's just so much work to do. Anyway, like I said, it's gonna be so many props. So they're gonna come out here, zig to the left, come through here, zig to the right, and then we're thinking we're gonna do a couple of feet of just maybe hanging plastic, and then they'll exit out that door and go back and come around again and pay their $5 again to come through again. Anyway, so that's why I haven't posted any videos. And tomorrow we'll show you the progress we make tomorrow and Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday we're running it. And we'll see. So that's the plan. Here, let's go and we have a lot of work. Let's go in my classroom. Let me show you a few of the other props that we got set up, ready to go. The murderous Mabel. Again, from former videos, you should remember these guys. So, and we got another murderous maple here, and it'll be out there. So anyway, let's get this video posted, and then we'll come back tomorrow, do some little short videos. All right, have a good one, y'all.